welcome back to my channel. So once again I've got some unboxing to do, and this time around I purchased something from Louis Vuitton. So I believe you're gonna like this one. So the first thing I have is actually the little holder that holds the receipts of my purchase, and then this is the name card of the sales associate. And let me take out this box, it's very heavy. Sorry guys. Okay, hold on. Here you go, here's my box. So what my sales associate did for me is that he actually put my box into this box, and hold on guys, let me take it out. It's heavy. Here you go, and here's the box. And this is the actual box that contains the item. Yeah. Okay, so the wrapping wasn't fantastic, it's just a very simple wrapper here. And it's pretty unbelievable. We still have this card here which shows the lunar year of the dog. This year 2018 is the year of the dog, so the client attached the card here. And so let's proceed with the unboxing. So I went into Louis Vuitton not expecting to buy anything, because I was actually looking. I went to the shopping mall to look for Coco Chanel handle, and the Coco Chanel handle that my sales associate put aside for me, reserved for me. I checked the condition, but I didn't really like the sewing, so I said I will purchase it the next round when another piece arrived, another new piece of the Coco Chanel handle arrived. So I put that brand new piece back, and I didn't buy the Coco Chanel handle. And then while I was walking around the mall, I went to Fendi, I went to Gucci. I almost purchased a Gucci backpack, but that backpack has got some zipper problem. I mean, for a brand new piece, that zipper was not smooth, so I didn't buy that. So after that, I left Gucci and I came here to Louis Vuitton not expecting to buy anything. So, but surprisingly, what is this? Surprisingly, I saw this bag. And, what's this? Oh wow, it's just an empty card for me to write anything. Anyway, okay. So surprisingly, I saw this bag, and I think you're gonna like it because it's a limited edition. And this is the one. And it comes with this bag, dust bag with the blue color handle. This new dust bag. And there we go, you have it. Ooh, the one that has been on the wait list that people wanted, and it is right here. And I'm pretty much happy because some time ago I wanted this bag, but we have to be on the wait list to get it. So today when I went into the store, the sales associate that I spoke to was really nice, and he has got one of this, and it's brand new with the sticker over here in the clips and over here on the top. This is totally brand new. He has got two pieces in the boutique. One is made in Italy, and another one made in France. So I'm really lucky. I got this. I got the piece that was made in France, and it turns turns out that the workmanship is pretty much similar, whether it is made in Italy or made in France. These are kept inside the boutique and they wouldn't release it. So I wouldn't tell you how I got this bag, but I managed to get it. As in, I was one of the, you know, anyway. So I managed to get this bag, and it is made in France. So I'm really happy. Here you go. Inside there's a pocket, and it's fully leather lined. And over here, made in France. This is the booklet that comes with the bag. And what you can fit in is actually just a normal handphone, like a normal iPhone 7 or iPhone 6 or iPhone X or the X, what do you call it, XS? Yeah, but not the larger version. You know, you can't fit the larger handphone inside. So there we go. And this is what comes in here is actually the strap. You see? The thin little strap that you can, this ribbon, you can clasp on, and then you carry sling over your shoulder, or you just carry at the side of your shoulder. What I'm going to do is, the way I'm going to utilize this bag is I'm just going to sling it over my shoulder, like crossbody, all the time. Because I don't find any sense carrying it by hand. You know, it just doesn't make sense to carry like that, because I have to, like, you know, use my hand to carry. So why not just sling it all the time, 100% of the time, as in. Go. Now I can still smell the leather. It's like that sweet, you know, the sweet leather smell. So inside, other than fitting a small handphone, you can actually fit in cards, and I believe that's about it. And maybe lipsticks, but maybe lip gloss, because the length is sufficient for you to hold lip gloss, and maybe card holders, some, you know, parking coupons. What else? Maybe a small little beanie at the corner. And then, other than the sling that comes along with it, you have this. This is like a luggage tag where you just secure here. You see? This one is without the golden hardware, and this is with the golden hardware. See right over here? You just secure it here. So yeah. So what I like to do is, I normally like to collect things that are more rare. And do you know that Chanel, they have this rocket bag? You can try to Google. It's a rocket bag with maybe some, I don't know, it just looks so special, and it's like a limited edition. I wanted that so much, but that time when I visited the store, they showed me that bag, but it seemed like it's pretty much useless. Like you can't really fit in anything in the bag. It looks pretty though, that Chanel rocket bag, but just doesn't really fit much. So I decided not to get it, because it's heavy, you know. Imagine you're carrying a heavy item on your shoulder for a whole day, and it just doesn't fit anything. Then what's the point of carrying that for show? No way. You have to get something that is really functional. So to carry something for a show, I think is pretty much meaningless. So there you go. I don't know how to do this, but hold on. Maybe like that. I don't know. I'll go and figure out how to do this, but it's just gonna look something like this. Yeah. Later, I just need to flatten this. Like this is like really a brand new piece. Like brand new. So I'm pretty happy that I got this, and it's made in France. here's the bag that I got from Louis Vuitton. And I think they call it the Petite Bow. How do you call it? Hold on. I don't even know what's it called. Some pet. Oh, there you go. Louis Vuitton Petite Boite Chapeau. I know. Petite Boite Chapeau. No, something like that. So anyway, here's the bag, and I think I'm gonna use it tomorrow with some cards and my handphone. So that's about it, guys. I hope you like this unboxing. And for me, I will rate this bag 7.5 upon 10 because I think it looks very cute and very well made. Look at all the corners and the sewing. Look at the workmanship. It's really good. You see? Yeah. Alright, there you go, guys. Made in France, Louis Vuitton. So I'll talk to you again in my next video and probably more unboxing. And let's see how, if I purchase that Coco handle, I will do an unboxing. But for this video, this is what I'm going to show you. Yeah. Okay, bye guys. Bye bye.